it just completely shut down on the highway, and then the smoke started.
Looks like the head gasket blew. We're looking at a few thousand for repairs.
Okay, thank you.
Then you would repair it.
You said you would repair my car.
Yeah, we did it! Woo! This is the life.
This spot is incredible.
Let's get in the water right now.
We got it! Look at that one! Look at that one!
Yeah, all right, guys, swim free. That was fun.